Welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Today we're looking at the O-Cedar Spin Mop. I'm going to show you how to put it together, and most importantly, I'm going to show you how to spin it and use it just like this. Fantastic. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at O-Cedar Spin Mop. I did one of these reviews maybe about 5-6 years ago, and the pull actually broke. It was my fault. I actually cracked it. So I want to do another updated review and just show you a little bit about this mop once more and show you what's in here and basically how to use it and my thoughts in the last 5 years of using it. And I tell you, it's a really, really cool system. So let's open this up. Let's see what's inside here. It's a really easy technology. It's really simple to use. It's probably one of the best items that I've ever used in a long time. I love easy cleaning. Since I'm in charge of the cleaning, I like it easy. Let's take everything out of the box first. Let's see what's in here. We have the bucket, we have the pole, and these are the items that are in here. Super easy to look at. Let's take a look at each item and let's see what's included in this kit. Second, that's the strainer. That's that dries the mop. So what's in the kit is they give you a head here. That's one of the mops here, one of the cleaning heads, and you actually get the attachment that goes on the head, and this just snaps on. The reason why it snaps off that way, this is dishwasher safe. This is washing machine safe, that you can actually throw this in the washing machine and wash it. And that's really a cool thing about the technology here. So let's put this together. Really just have to just snap it in here. That's all you have to do is basically just snap. They snap in and snap out, so it's easy to replace and use and clean. You can see how it just popped in like that. This is the head, really easy. And here is the wand, and this is all adjustable, this wand. You can open it and close it and lock it into place. It's got a lock. You just twist it, and that locks it, just like that there. Let me show you. So twist and lock, unlock, and you can extend it, okay? Like that, extend like that, and you get a full extension. This is approximately, okay, the height of this is about 4 feet, right here, and you just screw it on to the actual head itself, which is easy, almost like those painter heads. You just paint like those rollers. You just snap it on here. Then you get the full flexibility where you can see how that works. And that's how that works. So that was super easy, very, very easy to do. You just put it in and just close it up a little bit. What's good about this kind of mop here, I do like, is that if you have smaller places to clean, you can make it smaller, okay? And then if you want to get behind something, you can get behind stuff and you can move it all around. You can move so that's what's nice about having the extension. You can adjust it, which is really nice. I like that a lot. Now this is the magic right here. Here's the magic. The magic is the spin. The spin action is the magic. You fill this up with water. There's a line that you can actually fill it up to. I usually use this just basic cleaning, nothing crazy. The Dawn cleaning, something clean hardwood floors, very simple way to clean. Here is the pump here. When you move the pump here, it's like those salad spinners. You know those salad spinners they sell? This is that similar technology. Now, how this works is that they have at the end of the mop head here. This will go inside, and then you pump it. It'll actually spin, and that's how it cleans it. So as this gets wet, this will all go inside the mesh bucket, the basket, and then when you spin it, it'll actually. You just lightly hold it open like this, like that, and then it actually spins and cleans the mop. So it's got a really nice, I like that a lot, easy to use. And then probably I love using this mop. I really, really do. The O-Cedar brand is a really high quality. I've been using this, like I said, for 5 years. And unfortunately, I did break the handle, so I replaced it. And I'm going to show you exactly how I use it and how I clean the floor. If you enjoyed this type of video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. It helps my channel out, so I really do appreciate that. So if you're interested in something like this here, there is a link down below and also a QR code right over here. Check out that QR code. Everything I do raise with my channel, it costs you nothing, just to be fair and transparent. I do get a small commission and it costs you nothing. And it helps support my channel to make these videos to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you on products just like this. So that's why I do these videos, to help you and educate you and show you products like this. Has been around for a long time. So if you're in the market for a new mop, definitely consider this one because it's ease, convenience, and actually storability. Because you can store this away, very small footprint. You put this away and you're good to go. All right, let's fill it up with water and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Okay, so I have the bucket here. You can see I have it all full of water, right to the line. Just put a little dish soap in, nothing crazy. And let me just show you another important thing. It balances quite nicely. You can see how it balances. I like that, not too heavy. Here is the mop. So the first thing you do is just get it wet. You can see there. Now it's really wet, soaked. You can see that, how it's soaked out there. Put it in the spinner, and let's just give it a couple of pumps. See that water just rushing out? And you lightly hold it like this. That way it just spins in your hand, like that. And that is basically damp. And you just go around with your mop and just clean. Really, really easy. So it's a nice damp mop. You can see how that works. Like that, put it back in the water. I like to swish it around and get that soap action going right there. Again, here's all that water. Put it back in the spinner and just pump it. You can see that water just rushing out. That is awesome. Again, that's dry. Let me get this out of the way and just show you how easy it is to mop with something like this here. It does a great job. You can just see that, how it's working. Fantastic. I definitely recommend this, guys. If you're interested in a mop, definitely pick this up. Like I said, there's a QR code on top there and also a link below. I love this item. You can't go wrong. You can just see how beautiful it's doing a great job. Again, one more time, we'll spin it dry. And you can just keep spinning it. And you can see it's pretty dry. Damp mop, nothing like, you need a damp mop, especially when you're dealing with hardwood floors. You need a damp mop, very important. You don't want to soak the floor. And then you can go back and just do it again if you want to, and then dry it with a clean water if you want to, depending on how dirty your floors are. And that is it. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. One more thing here before we finish up. When you're done, like I said, easy to carry over. Just throw the dirty water in the toilet here. Just get rid of it like that. You can see how easy that was to dump in. It's got that nice action. Super easy. Got some suds in. I'm just gonna rinse that out and you're good to go. Very, very easy. I love that. I do all kinds of videos, even as simple as something like this, mopping your floor, to help educate you. That's what I do. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day, and I'll see you at the next review.